This is the elevator at 2650 Bahia Vista Street in Sarasota, Florida, also known as the Medical and Professional Building. It's been modded. Was a general. It's been modded by Florida, and it's scenic. This thing is pretty busy, so there's probably going to be a lot of cuts in this video, but while we're here, let's just take a look at the atrium. There used to be a floor indicator up there, a call button right there. Now it's over to the right. Elevator's down at 1. I'll cut the one we get it back. Let's go down to 1. This time let's look out the side. No one's here. Let's go up again. Let's look out the other side this time. And now let's get our cab view. Certificate. Again, Florida elevator did the mod. This right here is now just an empty foam cabinet. And let's go for one more ride. That noise was. And I'll end the video down at 1. So I didn't have to make quite as many splits in the video as I thought. But someone did call it. Alright, and that'll be it.